In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your domain name from WordPress to your Shopify website. Whether you're switching platforms, rebranding your store, or you simply want everything managed in one place, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process smoothly and confidently. First, you need to prepare your domain on your current registrar. Even if your website is built on WordPress, your domain is usually registered through companies like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Bluehost. So log into your registrar's account and head over to your domain management or domain settings section. Once you're inside, look for an option called Registrar Lock or Domain Lock. Make sure to unlock your domain. This is extremely important because a locked domain can't be transferred at all. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your domain isn't newly registered. Many registrars require a 60-day wait before transfers. Turn off Who is Privacy if your registrar requires it, and double-check that your contact email is correct. Doing these things beforehand helps prevent delays and avoids unnecessary transfer failures. Once your domain is unlocked and your authorization code is ready, open your Shopify admin panel. On the left side, go to Settings, then click Domains. Here, you'll see an option called Change My Shopify Domain. Go ahead and click it. When prompted, enter your domain name without the www, and Shopify will automatically check if it's ready to transfer. If Shopify tells you the domain is still locked, simply go back to your registrar, unlock it, and try again. After that, you'll be asked to confirm your contact details, review the transfer information, and complete the payment if required. This usually finalizes your part of the setup on Shopify's side. Now, keep a close eye on your inbox. You'll receive two important emails, one from your domain registrar and one from Shopify. Both messages will ask you to confirm and approve the transfer. Make sure to accept and verify everything as instructed, otherwise the transfer won't go through. Once approved, your domain will begin moving over to Shopify. After that, all you need to do is wait. Domain transfers can take up to 20 days, depending on the registrar, but in many cases they finish much sooner. Shopify will send you a confirmation email when everything is complete, and your domain will now be fully managed inside your Shopify dashboard. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to transfer your domain name from WordPress to Shopify with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, feel free to share it with others who might be moving their store too. Why not help someone enjoy a smoother transfer?